Ever wondered which animals starting with the letter Y make our planet more diverse and interesting? Today, we're going to dive into the life of an animal that's as unique as its name, the yawning yaks. So, what's in a name? Yaks, known scientifically as bosgruniens, might not be your everyday household name, but they sure do make a significant impact in their native homes. Picture this: snow-capped mountains, breathtaking landscapes, and there, grazing peacefully, stands our yak. These impressive creatures hail from the Himalayan region of South-Central Asia, calling the cold, harsh environments their home. But these yaks are more than just hulking beasts on the mountainside. They are a lifeline for the people who share their environment. These yaks are primarily used as livestock, providing not only milk and meat but also fur. Imagine a chilly Himalayan night and the only thing between you and the biting cold is a warm yak fur coat. That's how integral yaks are to the local communities. Now you might be wondering, how do these yaks survive in such harsh conditions? Well, these creatures are perfectly adapted to high altitudes, boasting larger lungs and hearts than similar-sized lowland animals. It's like they're born mountaineers, equipped with the best gear nature can provide. Their bodies have adapted over millennia to make the most of the thin Himalayan air, allowing them to thrive where few other animals dare to tread. So there you have it, the yawning yaks. These majestic creatures, with their adaptability and utility, truly are the kings and queens of the Himalayas. They might not wear crowns, but their presence is regal, their contributions invaluable. So next time you think of why, remember the yawning yaks that rule the Himalayas. These incredible creatures are a testament to the diversity and wonder of our planet's wildlife. From their scientific name, bosgruniens, to their high-altitude homes and their invaluable role in the local communities, every aspect of their existence is a story worth telling. From the high mountains, let's fly to the European meadows with our next Y animal. We're diving into the world of a vibrant little bird known as the yellowhammer. This passerine bird, scientifically christened as Emberiza citronella, is a member of the bunting family. Its habitat spans across the diverse landscapes of Europe and Asia, making it a common sight for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike. Now, what makes the yellowhammer truly stand out is its male counterparts. These fellas know how to draw attention, with their bright yellow plumage that stands out like a little sunbeam amidst the green meadows. But it's not just their looks that turn heads, it's also their unique song. Often interpreted as a little bit of bread and no cheese, their melodious tunes resonate through the air, filling the European meadows with a sweet rhythmic symphony. So if you ever find yourself in these parts of the world, be sure to lend an ear to the air. You might just catch the yellowhammer's catchy song. Aside from their melodious tunes, there's another interesting aspect about yellowhammers that's worth mentioning. These birds are ground feeders, which means they prefer to dine on Earth's dining table. Their menu mostly consists of seeds and insects, with a special preference for the latter during the breeding season. This makes them a natural pest control unit, helping to maintain a balance in the ecosystem. So the next time you're wandering in the European meadows and hear a unique song, stop and listen. It might just be a yellowhammer, singing for its supper, serenading the meadows with its charming tune. These vibrant birds are a testament to nature's diversity, adding a splash of yellow to the green landscapes and a melody to the air. And with that, we wrap up our journey with the yellowhammer. So if you hear a unique song in the European meadows, it might just be a yellowhammer singing for its supper. Now, let's dive deep into the ocean and meet a creature as fascinating as its mythical namesake. We're talking about the enigmatic yeti crabs, the stars of our third scene. Yeti crabs, or as the science folks call them, Kiwa hirsuta, are relatively new to our knowledge. These crabs were only discovered in the year 2005. Imagine, for all those years, these amazing creatures were living their lives, unseen and unknown to us, in the depths of the South Pacific Ocean. Who knows what other wonders we've yet to discover in the mysterious ocean depths. These marine crabs have found a home in the most unlikely of places, deep-sea hydrothermal vents and cold seeps. Now you might be wondering what gives them the name Yeti. Well, it's their hairy claws. Yes, you heard it right. These crabs have hairy claws, much like the mythical Yeti is described to have. It's not just a fancy nickname. Their hairiness has a real purpose, but we'll get to that in a moment. Here comes the most fascinating fact about these Yeti crabs. They are not just surviving in the challenging deep ocean environment, they are actually thriving. And they do it by farming. No, they don't have little underwater tractors or farmhouses. Instead, they cultivate bacteria on their claws. When it's dinner time, they simply scrape off these bacteria and feast on them. It's a clever adaptation, isn't it? So the next time you think about farming, remember these Yeti crabs. They've taken the concept of local produce to a whole new level. And the next time you imagine the Yeti, don't just think of a giant hairy creature in the snow. Think of these tiny, fascinating crabs, farming their own food in the deep, dark depths of the ocean. So the ocean depths hide many secrets, one of them being the fascinating Yeti crab. From the Himalayas, through European meadows to the ocean depths, animals that start with Y are as fascinating as they are diverse. We've journeyed together, unraveling the wonders of the yawning yaks, who despite their rugged exterior, have a heartwarming fondness for socializing. We've tuned into the enchanting melodies of the yellowhammers, these songbirds that paint Europe's landscapes with their vibrant colors and captivating tunes. And who could forget the young Yeti crabs? These deep-sea dwellers, despite their eerie appearance, play an essential role in maintaining the balance of their underwater ecosystems. Each of these creatures, unique and intriguing in their own right, remind us of the incredible diversity of our planet's fauna. So as we close the chapter on the letter Y, let's continue to marvel at the wonders of the animal kingdom. So that's the letter Y for you. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more animal alphabets coming your way.